Hindi alamarjan mate Bollywood along Parokre Sirkepra Troxikep Lapen Narkep Kep Anikan Malom Nongkache Thanklong Ahon Seri mate legendary actress Mumbai pen Karbi Anglong Arong Supi Dipu along nang Chilosi Dipu Sarsing Teron Langkong Habe Memorial Town Hall along GT Nipaing Kora Trok Arnikang Sam Kibi Sominder Kijui Kelang Arnika Talon along nang Chilodun Lapen alang li Karbi Anglong Aradapan Ingnek Hinghang Awarmo Teklong si Aning Karong Alam Cipak Langpong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ano deng arumalong kedo kijui kelang saika mate tourism sai campaign GT ni phaing kora trokar ni Dipu Sarsing Teron Langkong Habe Memorial Town Hall along Sominder kijui kelang arni Katalondun Last one ni along pache tondun si Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Bollywood legendary actress Zeenat Amara Phan chopha pangjangsi Karbi Anglong along kijui kelang anat an so se kapache thang lapen kirung ponjia phan Hindi alamarjan ahon sere ari chopi Zeenat Amara Phan aphadeng pekpon
Sri Forensic Baser would like to felicitate him and welcome
MLA Sri Vida Singh Leng sir.
Alang ni alam jiralong alang ni phan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen ke pha puthak aning kang samalam chipaklang
Beautiful people of Karbi Anglong. I am so exceedingly happy to be here on the celebration of World Tourism Day to participate in celebrating Karbi Anglong tourism. Karbi Anglong is stunning, absolutely stunning. I mean the visuals that I have just seen, I mean will stay with me forever. And I wish, sir, that I could bring people from my fraternity to come here, maybe shoot, maybe do different things in your beautiful, beautiful place. It is stunning. You do here in Karbi Anglong, you have, as we have seen, beautiful green rolling hills, dense forests, and all the flora and fauna, waterfalls, paddy fields, and the fantastically blue meandering rivers. And this can attract visitors from all over the world. Everybody will want to come here, especially after the pandemic. People want to go to places that are peaceful, that are close to nature, and you cannot beat what you have to offer here in Karbi Anglong. Most important of all, the smiling, warm and happy faces of the people. Unbelievable. Seeing the cultural dance, I love, imbibing all the varied and rich culture and traditions of this area. And I just want to thank you, sir. I want to thank you for inviting me to be here to celebrate World Tourism Day and to celebrate Karbi Anglong. Honestly, I think you are fabulous and you are blessed to have such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. Thank you.
Karbi Anglong along kijui kelang athor kang chuaputhak Somindarar muaphan kapachini aphan lamthe chechaktikang Arnikang sampor phai troxia por malompen kapang janga jeme kalong team Karbi Anglong akleng sarpo mate CEM Dr. Tuliram Longhang MP Horen Singbe MLA EM MAC lapen Karbi Lamarjan ahon seriatum chetongdun
Good evening, everybody. I just want you to know that I am so delighted and happy to be here in this beautiful slice of heaven in Karbi Anglong. It has been such an eye-opener for me to see all the wonderful, wonderful, wonderful aspects of nature that I have. Fields, greenery, hills,
rivers, the opportunity for tourism, and the opportunity for people to come here and do things at their leisure. I'm so glad that I was here. Thank you for inviting me, sir. It's absolute pleasure. And you have a beautiful place, and I really feel that it's important that to do what you're doing, to let people know how beautiful this place is, so that they all come.